how to buy bond the BarnBridge token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project found on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. And after that, this token is available on CoinMarketCap. Now, to be able to buy this token, just copy the token address from here. And remember, this token address came under Ethereum network. Now go and open your wallet. For this, I will use the Bitget wallet. After that, select the Ethereum as a network and click on this plus icon and paste the token address here. After that, click on plus icon to be able to add it to your wallet. Now go back and find your token. Just wait a few seconds. As you can see, this is it. Click on it, click on swap, switch it from here, and here select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT, and make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now type here how much you want to buy, wait a few seconds, and as you can see, this is how much you receive of the token. Just click on buy and you will be able to buy it. So this is how to buy the bond token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.